Alright guys, welcome back. San Joaquin Valley Transparency. We have an exclusive video that was sent to us. If you guys are not subscribed to my channel, you might want to do that now. We have a lot of exclusive videos being sent to us. Several years ago we started recording police and holding them accountable, but I realized that I personally myself wasn't going to create all the change that needed to be done. So what I started to do was start helping new channels grow. I started motivating you guys to pick up a camera and record. I let you guys know to send me your videos so I can highlight your channels and help you get support in your communities and on your YouTube channels. So without further ado, folks, this guy gets arrested. There will be some information in the video for you guys. This is an exclusive video. You won't see it anywhere else. So without further ado, here we go.
Not talk to them or
Hey, no, I don't have to.
You cannot talk to them.
I can.
You cannot.
I have a First Amendment right.
You're gonna go to jail.
Take me to jail, bro. Take me to jail.
You will.
Hey,
you cannot
you have
talk.
a Fifth and Sixth Amendment right, bro. Which means you don't have to answer any questions you don't want to answer. Do you understand what that means? Hey, you don't have to answer any questions. Oh, shit.
You cannot talk to them.
Sure I can.
No, you cannot.
Sure I can.
No, you can't.
Dude.